Rainy days often feel like a drag, don't they? But what if I told you there's a secret recipe to turn those gloomy days into opportunities for joy and productivity? Yes, even when it's pouring outside, you can boost your mental health significantly. Let's dive into some simple yet powerful strategies. First up, let the sunshine in. Open your curtains wide and let every sliver of natural light flood your room. Even a little daylight can uplift your mood and kickstart your energy levels. Research confirms that natural light not only enhances your mood, but also boosts your productivity. Now, let's get moving. Exercise isn't just for sunny days. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. Whether it's stretching, a home workout, or a brisk walk in a light drizzle, every bit counts towards elevating your spirits. Next, we're talking mindfulness. Meditation, deep breathing, or a few yoga poses can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. The best part, you can do these activities comfortably at home, creating a calm sanctuary amidst the chaos outside. Don't forget to connect. A simple call or video chat with friends or family can do wonders. Maintaining social connections is crucial for mental well-being, making us feel supported and connected. Lastly, engage in what makes your heart sing. Whether it's reading, painting, or strumming a guitar, hobbies provide not only entertainment, but also a profound sense of accomplishment and joy. Remember, your mental health is just as vital as your physical health. So, next time the rain pours, seize the opportunity to nurture your mind and soul with these tips. Stick around for more helpful tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your journey to a healthier, happier life is just a click away. Stay tuned, and let's make every rainy day a chance to glow. Subscribe for more insights, and turn those dreary days into delightful discoveries.